is Hassan Sankali. I'm an engineer, a musician, a journalist, and everything else in between. I provide a lot of advisory support for Phoebe, for its technical systems. That's power, water, and other issues. As technically being an engineer at the university, I was automatically a de facto assigned to wherever Phoebe had to do, whatever we could do to help. Phoebe is practically the best and the best hospital and the only viable hospital in the country, aside from the government hospitals. That's the only private hospital in the country, and especially in this part of the country. Phoebe has been striving to survive practically in all facets of its operational systems. Electricity is absolutely, exclusively related to private generators. Institutions like Phoebe have to run private diesel thermal units. These units run, depending on the size of the generators, you could be between $400,000 and $600,000 a year. $500,000 just for diesel fuel, not counting operational costs, staff support, maintenance costs. We could very easily run to $600,000, considering the high demand, the health situation of our country, the poor health facilities in this country, and the health support. The medical programs require reliable power. It's difficult to think, it's hard to think that people under the threat of life in surgery would, simple surgery cannot be accomplished. Minor surgeries can be accomplished because there is no power for basic equipment. And the unreliability of power at Phoebe is an understatement. We can't overstress that. It's very important that we upgrade it at all costs. But like I said, it has had some considerable difficulties in trying to keep its operating theaters. Operating theaters, they have to run on power. It's an understatement. And solar energy. We think solar cells are the best way to go.